Mwezi. But I very much. Kana mwana kana masista matsuku. Mwezi tsukulugu. Yeah. Remember, na Tamy more. Saka manje muda chi. Rhythm irekana kuti muda ina shema masa.
Chero zvamufunga
Kana single.
So PTK, are you telling us kuti muda kugadzira rhythm ronzi Tamy more? Because ndo zvandabata.
Ndamugadzira single. Alright. Tomorrow. Apa kilatia mkatonga. Tukumbura kuti mangwana. Ndagadzira sister angu single.
Alright.
That's for me.
What about Nubian Notes? Ndikuona kuti ma sisters edu ari kuperforma zvine energy. Mune here mawedza muda kutaura in terms
One of my
of the show.
sisters. Anongodzwa vanongoita nini. But this time for Christmas. Yeah, she's my Christmas. Tamy moyo PTK single track.
Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Warrior. This is not a Zimdancehall show. It's a music show. Kila tears so like is a Zimdancehall. Like muna nemba Zimdancehall from long time. So yeah, it's a new team. We just here because of Kila team, because of Tamy more, because of Pemo, my performance is. So yeah, I'm happy to see moyo. But seuti mangwana tungori mu studio singora ze tungora kiliki panyari bonde uti dine rhythm ronzi fresh prince rhythm do rhythm ra ndukuita fresh and this rhythm I show you the rhythm here richard say both rhythm munhu wese akona saka munhu wese my YouTube, my account by Facebook, my account by WhatsApp, since PTK music. Kune runs fresh prince written. Munu mucha talk. But runs fresh prince. Sari rectifier. Renin, Rina Jeripi, Rina Arena News. Sanaga with the babos and this is the Saranya Ribbon duty. Stay tuned. PTK Music channel, our page. Saranya Ribbon duty. PTK, our number.